For today's video, we're taking a look at the smart bird feeder. Okay, my friends, so this is the system itself here. On the back, if you pull this up, this gives you access for placing your food inside for the birds. The bird seed goes right in there. And then this just pops right back on. Here you have the solar panel that's going to power your actual camera. Make sure you peel off all the plastic from your lenses and your sensor. You can see you have LED lights on here. Motion sensor right through here, and your camera lens right in there. Let's see. Looks like... Alright, so this one bracket came cracked, but that's okay. Bracket is cracked. We can simply fix that. Probably just something in shipping. That's no issue. For us, SD card's going to go inside here. There's no SD card in here. We're going to see if they supply you one, but you got your Type-C, reset, and all your fun stuff inside the waterproof seal. And this, we're just going to place this back in. It actually doesn't affect it. You can still adjust it. It actually makes it easier for us. And you do want to connect this. So what you would do is you kind of pull this whole unit down like this. You'd pull it like this, and then you would connect your power supply in here. So just like that, and then put it back. That's going to power your actual camera. You're going to have all your mounting brackets and everything needed to mount your camera. I don't see any SD card, so you will need a memory card. So make sure you find, I would say, a 32 gigabyte TF card should be plenty.